Hey, yo, come in. What's good, YouTube? You're wondering where I'm at? I'm at Puff Smoke Shop, located in 1730 West Barton, Arlington, Texas, 7017. Anytime I need any smoking accessories or anything like that, I normally just come over here to Puff Smoke Shop. But anyways, I'm gonna pass it over to one of the employees over here, and hopefully you guys can get shown off around here from him.
We carry THCA products. We have vapes, carts. We have flour, gummies, pre-rolls. You know, anything you need. We kept your rolling accessories here. We got all the guards you need. We got backwoods, vapes, hemp-rillos. We got juices. Anything you need, man. Come to Puff Smoke Shop.
We're having a contest. Go to Puff Smoke Shop Google page and leave a 5-star Google review. And in the comments down below, put Puff's hashtag Puff Smoke Shop. Hey, Sam, I don't record.
Smoke shop, you're supposed to be
Yeah, right there. Right. Ready?
Yep.
We're having a contest. Google to Puff. Damn. Keep going. It's good.
I'm gonna say it for you, but thanks. Alright, so my boy's having a contest, okay? Go to Puff Smoke Shop Google page, leave a 5-star Google review, and in the comments leave hashtag Puffs to enter in a chance to win a ride in his race car. What kind of car is it?
Big single turbo.
Single turbo. It's badass. Y'all know the car. You're on his YouTube page, alright?
Hey, it's a single turbo G37. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Y'all know the vibe.
Puff Smoke Shop, 5 stars.
Top of the morning. This bitch is loud. Oh, watch out, it's a plane. Them motherfuckers been crashing lately. You can't trust none. Hey, you can't trust. I'm low key, bro. Dead ass. Nigga, I'm low key scared to go on that fucking ride back to Virginia on that plane. Like, I was so sketched out, but low key, I paid for a good seat. Like, I'm low key towards the front.
Go get a rental.
Man, fuck that shit.
Alright, we're recording. I gotta get this.
All right. What in the goddamn the eBay fucking exhaust muffler is this? Now starting. No. All right, look, y'all. I'm helping Justin put this onto the wheels. One of these onto the wheels. But apparently he lets me. He thinks that I'm Hulk and I can push it. So let's see. All right, hold on. One more, ready? The hood popped. No, not too bad.
It sounds like his car isn't getting no fuel.
God. Holy crap, that hood is. All right, guys, here we go again. Helping Justin, number 3.
Hey, this is what you wanted to do.
I did want to come over here. At least I'm getting content.
You know, whenever you squat.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ah. Damn.
One more time, one more time.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
All right.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
A little bit more, no.
Oh, that's perfect.
All right, good.
Because then I'll be able to jack the car up, and I'll be able to pull the alternator out from under it. Because I pull it from bottom.
Okay. Woo, so we got one little brick right there. Jack under there, just like that.
Thank you, my boy.
Yes, sir, for sure. I think you just need the weather strip for the hood, no?
Yeah.
It looks like it's aligned correctly, at least.
I hate that one.
And low-key, this shit too, right here. You need the pins. It is. Look like it's freshly painted, low-key.
Yeah, it wasn't on there last time.
All right, guys, so got the radiator fan off. Got the belt taken off right here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me watch this. Yeah, so we got the belt taken off. Give us access to the alternator. That's what we're replacing today, and spark plugs as well. On this, I don't know what year this car is, but it's an HR, probably an 05 or 08.
07 or 08.
I said 08. I corrected it.
That nigga said 05.
Nah, hey, I corrected it.
Boy, where the fuck you
Hey.
been at?
I said 08. I said 08. But yeah, on the HR, got to get this little quick maintenance done, repair / yeah. So yeah, guys, Justin pretty much cranked on that fucking alternator. I don't know what the fuck that was. But anyways, yeah, Justin cranked on that fucking alternator already. And while he was cranking that off and putting it back on, I was pretty much taking off the manifold and
Got the old one off. The
Yeah.
new / used one is
No.
on.
yeah, just the old one. And I took off the manifold, everything like that, so we can. We didn't have to, but yeah, we put in the fucking goddamn spark plugs. Fucking got brain aneurysm and shit. But yeah, that's the job for today.
It's easier doing it like this.
Got so much room, everything. All right, guys, we're pretty much wrapping up on this job right here. Justin's putting the Manny back on, and yeah, that's probably just put a couple hoses on, put the intakes back on, and it's a done job. Just like that, guys. Quick and easy. Nice little job.
Unplug this in?
Did I unplug it? No,
It wasn't unplugged in right there?
I don't think so, no. Just like that. Start right up.
Just like that, my boy.
Yep, just like that, y'all. Started right up. Hell yeah. Yes, sir.
Good. That bitch running smooth.
Hell yeah. Finish up on a little slight job on a Saturday morning. Why not?
Knock it out real quick. Knock
Yes,
it out real
sirski.
quick.
Hell yeah.
Alternator swap and a spark plug job.
We Just finished up that job, guys. Look, Hellcat right there. He don't know he'll get gapped. He don't know he'll get gapped though. Look at the color on that truck though. It's not showing up on camera like how it's supposed to though. Hey, how much power are you pushing? Stock? Oh, you ain't get a dyno, no nothing? What's done to it? Just intakes? You want to get a run in? Not with this one. I got another car at home, same car, it's boosted. Yeah, you down? Yeah, he's pretty slow. Yeah, he's turning. Yeah, he's pretty slow. He said just intakes. Look at the rear. You can see the rear end on that shit. The tires on it. Looks good though. Yeah, thanks. Well, now guys, since me and Justin's done with that, make another pit stop to go see my daughter. Come on, bitch. Come on. Are you serious? Get that turbo spooling, bitch. Honestly, the homeless guy ain't do too bad of a job, but here's what it is. There we go. She's opening up now. She don't like to start up, but once she get going, she ready. I can't wait to re-clear to coat this shit. It's gonna be looking really nice. All right, guys, filling up with some good E85. Yes, sir. Got the camera just in case we catch some action on the freeway. Some slight. Just a slow car with a camera on the back end. Yeah, we're gonna see how much. It was like quarter of a tank. Let's see how much it is to fill this bitch up. About 30 bucks. Yes, sir. Not too bad. See, this is what you do in Texas when there's a whole bunch of traffic. Take the nearest exit. Nearest exit. Oh my God, that turbo though. Take the nearest exit, and what you want to do from here, just take the service road. That's the only thing you do, just take the access road or whatever. And then you straight. That's the only thing you need to do. Again, get off when there's no traffic. That's all. Thank KP to go later. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy, come on, stretch it out. Early in the morning, we trying to get this video out, buddy. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably gonna drop another video Wednesday on this video, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's your boy KP to go, and I'm out.